Hey guys, it's Chris back here with Prestige Auto. We got another project for you guys today. We got a 2004 Chevy Tahoe. We got to change out the MAF sensor in it. It's throwing the code for MAF sensor, so we're going to change it out. We've got the part right here. We got it from AutoZone. It was $88 at my AutoZone. It looks like this. Let's open it up. That tastes good. So here's what it looks like, the MAF sensor. This is going to be a shorter video than usual, but this is an easy part to change, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so your MAF sensor is located right here. It'll be on your air filter box. It won't be on the box, but it'll be coming off of it. There's usually a plug like this plugged in somewhere along this little flex thing coming from your air box. So what we'll do is just unplug this. Now it says that this MAF sensor is, it works on the 2000 to 2006 Tahoe, so the process will be the same on those models. So we'll loosen up this with the flathead screwdriver right here. There's another one right here we'll loosen up with the flathead screwdriver. It's a very simple job, but we'll get those loose. And then just pull this back and lift up your box and slide out your old sensor. Okay, we got it off. That's the old MAF sensor right there. Oh no. This came off with it. Just take it. There's a little groove right here. Just pop it back on there like that. Okay, let's get the new one. We've got the new MAF sensor right here. It shows the flow. There's a little arrow on there so that you can put it on the right way. It says flow with an arrow going this way. You want it to flow into the engine. So we'll take this in, snap it back in there, just push it in firmly like that, and then you're gonna have to just find a way to fight this thing back on there. It's kind of tight. Get it, make sure you're on. Slide it on all the way like that. You can get your flathead, tighten it back up on both ends. I think this process probably works on other stuff too. I think I read somewhere that it will work on Silverados, Escalades, some other stuff. But the only thing that I am for sure of is it does work on the 2000 through 2006 Tahoe. Got those cranked back down. We'll plug this back in. There's a little lock thing on here if you can't get it off. This little gray tab, if you can see that, just kind of wiggle up on it. Then you can push in the tab to pull that off. So when you put it back on, click it, push that down. And that's it, guys. That's how you change out the MAF sensor. On some other vehicles, it's not as big as this right here. Some other vehicles, it's just a little small sensor. It's still going to be located in about the same location. It'll have a wire like this going into it, and usually a little screw beside it. You'll take out the screw, and this thing will pop out. But that's it, guys.